Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to the Cargo's channel. Today I'm super excited because finally adventures begin. We have to go and park Slate somewhere where it is going to be safe for the time being while we're gone, and then we're off to the airport. So I'm looking for an extended parking for Slate. Slate have to be safe for the next 2 weeks. So in New York, it's really tough to find a street without street cleaning. I have been looking for a street like that for quite a while, and last time I went to vacation to Bulgaria on in September, I found this quiet little neighborhood where there is no street cleaning. So there is like 2 or 3 streets, 3 city blocks where there is absolutely no street cleaning. So that's where I left it last time, and that's where I'm leaving the car this time. It's also 7:30, so don't judge my hairstyle, please. See you in a little bit. We gotta pick up the bags and go to JFK. Okay, bye Slate, we're gonna miss you. Also note this parking job, really close to the curb. Nice. Alright, time for adventure. Took a while, but we just got through security, and now we're looking for gate 6 to get on our flight for Madrid, and then from there we're going to board a plane to Tenerife. Unfortunately, on Terminal 7 there is no lounge access, so we can't use our priority pass lounge and get some free drinks, but I think we're gonna search for one in Madrid. Let's get to the plane. Finally, after 6 hours and a half, I just arrived at Madrid's airport. We're on Terminal 4 satellite. I think that's a new terminal because look, it's beautiful. It's a nice modern airport. Now we're gonna go find a lounge so we can actually connect to the Wi-Fi, and then go straight for the flight to Tenerife. Woo. Finally, the first lounge of the day, Terminal 4 in Madrid Airport. It's called Plaza Mayor, and we got a few refreshments. There's a variety of yogurts and sandwiches. I got the jamón serrano sandwich. Also, I got some ham and bread to make another ham sandwich. Coca-Cola, a glass of wine, very little bit, of course, you can see, and sparkling water. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this and then off to the next flight to Tenerife. Finally arrived in Tenerife. For you, maybe a few minute video, but for me it was quite a long flight, 2 flights in that. I can't wait to see my mom and dad are picking me up, what kind of rent-a-car they rented. So I'll keep you updated on that. Should I keep you updated on this video, or should I let you guess and see what it is in the next video? Let me show you a little bit of it, and then a little bit of the island, and I'll still let you guess the car. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see me, but the views right here, they're spectacular. I see there is a church right across the street from where I'm staying. I'm super tired. It's already 24 hours of travel and a little exploration of the island. Tomorrow I'm going to try and go to the mountains, because Tenerife is a volcanic island. There is a volcano high up and nice twisty roads. We're going to try and go and see if we can find some nice roads to drive on. And see a little more of the car as well. See you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. If no, hit the thumbs up anyway. You know you want it. I'll see you tomorrow.